One of the most ironic things about what I do for a living, which is selling pre-owned fashion, mostly women's clothing, shoes, and accessories, sold for $30. Two of them sold for $14 each to the same buyer, but it still sold for $30 plus shipping, sold for $65. I am not really a fashionable person myself. I've been rocking the Adam Sandler look for quite a long time now, and while it is a vibe and I love him, maybe I shouldn't dress like that all the time.
But are you obsessed?
So I had a long, hard talk with myself. I was like, Ash, it's time for you to get a really solid, good, high-end wardrobe that will last you a really long time, that you love every piece. But the catch is, I'm gonna be doing it for free. I'm not gonna be paying any money for all of these really high quality, high-end items that I've been wanting and having my eye on. I am going to be doing it for absolutely $0. I'm gonna be hosting a huge Whatnot auction on December 2nd at 7 o'clock Mountain Time.
Correction, that has been changed to 5:30 Mountain Time.
You guys should bookmark it and come. All of the income that I make from that Whatnot auction will become my budget for my dream wardrobe. Thank you so much to Whatnot for sponsoring this video, and when you guys sign up using the link in my description, you will get $15 off your first purchase when you sign up. So it's completely free to sign up, and the first time you make a purchase when someone's live streaming and selling, you will get 15 bucks off. Whatnot is live selling, so you are watching sellers as they go through all of their items, they are showcasing them, and then they start auctioning them off for, it could be 20 seconds, 30 seconds, a minute. They're holding up that item and you are bidding. Your payment method's already pre-programmed in, so if you win, it'll automatically deduct it from your account and you've won that item. The seller then ships it to you and it's right on your doorstep, ready for you to fall in love with. I'm going to be cleaning out my closet and pulling out some of my best designer pieces, including, you guessed it, Lululemon pieces. And I'm going to be selling it to you guys. Teach, how do you feel about me selling most of my Lulu collection?
Are you gonna sell most of it?
I think so. I just feel like I'm ready for a refresh, you know, like a new start.
You love your Lulu.
I know.
Okay.
Do I have, how many pieces would you guess I have? Because I'm gonna count.
12.
12 pieces?
Yeah.
You're not serious.
I don't know. I have no clue.
Welcome to my closet, you guys. Okay, I'm not gonna show you everything because it's not always super clean, but I am gonna show you the section of my closet I've kind of been through already. You know, I'll just share with you some of the pieces that I have thrifted, that I absolutely love, and that I'm ready to part with, I think, and sell at a Whatnot auction. So not only did I get some really fun, amazing, brand new pieces for you guys that I'm gonna be selling at my Whatnot auction coming up, but I'm gonna be including all kinds of stuff for my own closet. So let's see what I've set aside that you guys might like. Okay, you might remember this top. I actually thrifted it and I decided to hang on to it for a little while and see if it worked with me. It's Pete and Greta by Johnny Was, which is super expensive, as you guys know, but it just didn't quite look right on me. Genuine Louis Vuitton. I actually think this sweater is so cool. It is fake. You can't sell fake things on Whatnot, so I'm gonna hang on to this actually because I think it's so cool. This Arc'teryx top is way cool. I think I got this from Tommy's and I wanted to keep it to run in, but it just doesn't fit me super great. Oh, this is that off-white. It's like a little bit cracked on the back, but this is so cool. And it doesn't, you know what? It just doesn't fit me super great. So just for funsies, let's auction this off, you guys. And same with this Fear of God tee. I actually bought this. It's brand new. I don't know, it might be hard to part with. I'm on the fence. I might not sell that one. But this one I will. The off-white, I think I will. I'm gonna auction that. Champion. I've worn this so many times, you guys. I think you've seen it so many times, and maybe it's time to give its blessings to somebody else. So I think we're gonna auction this one off. I've been kind of cursed with like a super long torso. So these kind of more cropped sweaters just don't work on my body type, so let's auction this off. And then let's get to some Lulu. So I loved this like full zip. I can't remember the style name. The only issue is my facial cleanser like bleached the collar, so I'm gonna have to, I'll keep this because I don't want to, you know, give it to you guys in that condition, but still freaking love this one. And then, oh, you guys, I don't think I have a more beloved item in my closet than this Lulu quilted parka. It's got a hoodie. I bought this actually at the store, so I did not thrift this, but I've worn this quite a few seasons now, so I think it's time. Yeah, just for reference, this is it on, and you can see it's just so, I love this jacket so much, but I do think I want something a little bit thicker. This is a great jacket, but it doesn't keep me quite as warm as like I kind of want. So one of you guys can totally purchase it. Okay, you guys might be thinking like, Ashley, where is the rest of your Lululemon? Because this is your favorite brand and you keep it all the time. Why do you only have like 4 pieces? That's because Lulu has its own special area in my life. Let me show you. This drawer here is all Lululemon. The vast majority of it was thrifted, you guys. So I've got like all the Run Swiftlies here. We have the Run Swiftly 2.0. These 2 Run Swiftlies are great. They're a tiny bit too small on me, so I think I'm going to auction those. They're the Swiftly long sleeves, and I love them, but yeah, they just are a little too fitted for me. And then we've got, oh, this is a cute jacket. These two are both really cute, these sweaters. This is like a teal one. It has a hole for your ponytail, and it's got like this super cowl neck. It's so warm and cozy. I just don't wear it very often, so let's pass it on to you guys. This one is great. I don't really wear it very often, so let's pass this one on to you guys as well. Let's see, what else have I got here? Oh my gosh, I love the leggings so much. These are so cute. I thrifted these. They're super high rise, extra tummy support. They are like really snug here, like double layered, extra thick, so like not the looser stretch, and they're ombre. Let's pass this on to you guys. Oh, these are so cute. I love these. Okay, we've got a purple full zip. Yeah, this one will go to you guys. Same with this little Henley. And then we've got 2 of these extra long sleeve boat neck knit sweaters that are so cute, super soft. So they're going on to you guys. This jacket was so cute too. This striped, I bought this off Poshmark actually. I loved this. I just wore it a million times, and I think one of you guys should have it. I don't wear it that much anymore. Okay, so that brings my total. I just counted all my Lulu stuff, including the hats, which this is a more recent pickup. I had to keep it. I love it, including all my hats and jackets and tops and leggings and socks. I have over 40 Lululemon pieces.
Stop it. Get some help.
Again, most of them are thrifted, so I kind of love that. It's a very expensive collection retail, but I didn't hardly pay anything because it's mostly thrifted, which is fantastic. I've got all of my Lulu. I've got everything that I'm going to be auctioning off to you guys December 2nd, so mark your calendars, December 2nd. I'm gonna be auctioning off all that Lulu Bape Off-White, but I'm also including some of the things that I picked up on my Whatnot shopping spree. I found some amazing deals, and I think you guys will too. It's so perfect for Christmas shopping. I got a bunch of my own Christmas shopping done, and of course could not help but get stuff for myself, and here is how it went. It's an expensive brand, and it's brand new, and it looks like it'd be perfect for a little crew.
This jacket will last you through multiple kids. It's a size 2.
Size 2 is perfect for crew.
They last. They're sold comps for these are like $75 to $80, so $45 is a steal for this jacket. Hustle at home, Mom.
Let's go. I got it. I like Zella.
Kangaroo pocket. It is like a thicker fleece lined. We're gonna start her at $5.
I love Zella.
Approximately 25.5.
It is. Let's go. I got it.
Hustle at home, Mom. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here.
I really need some sneakers too, and I've been looking for them, so I'd love to find some stuff that I can then use in my Whatnot auction with you guys. Ooh, a Supreme Air Force One Low Black? Let's go.
150, that's a steal right there. You're just talking anything UNC color?
Dang it. I really want these.
180, again, last pair I got, size 9. 180 going once, going
Let's
twice.
go.
Hustle at home, Mom. 30 seconds on the clock, live in a bug.
Let's go. I feel like the chaperone in this Whatnot auction. Like, I don't belong here. So I'm not cool enough to be in here.
Do not talk bad about yourself. You are very cool.
Will I get it for $185?
185.
That's close to retail.
That's a lot.
Let's go.
Hustle at home, Mom. Second W of the day. Nice cap. Appreciate you, Jake.
Okay, I'm in a retro gaming Whatnot now.
You should buy something for your amazing editor, Riff. He deserves games and those Supreme shoes.
I'm thinking for my kids, and I see like some Legend of Zelda beanies. I'm looking in like the buy it now section. Okay, another day, another Whatnot auction that I'm going to be joining. I'm doing all of my holiday shopping, you guys, through Whatnot, which is really nice. These are such cute Chelsea boots from Free People.
111, you guys!
Oh, let's go, you guys!
Hustle!
You are my favorite bidder right now.
And that is an amazing price for these. That is well below retail, and I can't find them anywhere online for this, so I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, my kids are gonna love this. Okay, Minecraft Creeper Nightlight, which is so much fun. I think my kids will just be obsessed. So this is going to be a Christmas present. I'm gonna be super careful with this one. Ah! Oh, this is that super cute Save the Ducks quilted jacket. This is for Crewy. Oh, it's so sweet. I just think Crewy will look super cute in this. It gets really cold in the winter and we do go outside a lot. We go in the stroller, we take walks, so I think he'll absolutely love that.
Hustle at home, Mom.
And then, oh, that super cozy Zella sweater. I love Zella. And I just think this is gonna be so adorable. Let me try it on real quick, hold on. Okay, oh my gosh. It's like the perfect little oversized slouchy hoodie. This is such a little vibe with my hat. I love it, so cozy. And it's like perfect for like high-waisted leggings. This is the exciting one. Oh, Supreme, Nike Supreme, you guys. We have the Air Jordan Retro High OGs. Oh my gosh, these are just too cool. They're a size 9. I'm actually adding these to my Whatnot auction for you guys because I think they're so sick. With the box, of course, and the box is in really good condition, so heck yeah. All right, these Nike Air Force One lows, Supreme collab. These are for me. I just thought these would be so cool and so cute. I only have one, pretty much all I ever wear are Nike Air Force Ones and Nike Dunk Lows, so I don't know, guys. We're working on that. I just thought these were super cool. And it's nice knowing, you know, when you buy something that if it's a brand that retains its value like this, it will resell really well. So I of course love knowing that. And then we have the black Air Force Ones with the Supreme. I just spoke with TJ. But yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing some of your presents, so you gotta go.
All right, I'm getting that.
And he says these are not his vibe, which is fine.
Okay.
I kind of suspected, and I'd rather not wait till Christmas, which means though that I bought these for you guys. So I will be auctioning off these Air Force One lows in the solid black colorway, Supreme collab. Should be super fun. But like, as you guys can see, tons of great new with tag stuff. It's basically like shopping Nordstrom Rack right from your phone. So easy. I have a better link than just the regular $10 off your first purchase on Whatnot if you sign up. If you sign up through my link, you get $15 off your very first purchase. So a hoodie, for example, like this, that was about $30, would have only cost you $15 if you had used my link. Thank you to Whatnot for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys on Friday at 7 sharp.